In this video, we're gonna do an unboxing and I will share my initial thoughts about this professional LED light. Roll intro?
What?
Please roll that intro.
What?
Yes, the intro.
What intro?
Thank you. Mabuhay everybody, welcome to the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new here and you're kind of interested in those kind of contents, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please like my page, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get down to business. This is the YakePhoto AK150W, a Bowens mount LED studio light, and it was sent to me by Vizen Marketing to review. Now, if you want to know more about the specifications of this studio light, you can check it out in the link in the description below. Now, let's proceed to the unboxing. This one was delivered to me with 2 boxes. Let's start with the small one. Inside, you will find this Bowens mount reflector together with this white cloth diffuser. And that's it. Now, the main box. The LED light has 150 watts, obviously. It can be used indoors and outdoors, whether for photography or filmmaking, as long as you have an outlet to power this light. Let's check the sides. This has fixed color temperature of 5700 K with a CRI or color rendering index of 95% with 55-degree angle and an average lifetime of 60,000 hours. Inside the box, you will see a remote that can be powered by 2 AAA batteries. And here is the power cable. Alright, so here comes the LED light in a styrofoam protector. And lastly, the instruction manual. Now the LED light is a bit heavy because it has a metal build body. At the back is where the screen, the adjustment wheel, the AC port, the channel and group button, and the power switch. Also, the handle is made with hard plastic. Below is the stand mount with a hard plastic swivel to adjust the angle of the light with a tightening screw for the stand. On both sides of the box, there are holes for the air ventilation. Under the light is a lever. Press it down to unlock, remove the light cover, and here's how it looks. So now let's set it up and test it out to see what this light can do to improve our photography and filmmaking experience. Click the switch to turn on the LED light, and after a second, the light opens. It shows the intensity percentage, the light color temperature, and the channels and group menu. Turn it clockwise to increase the intensity of the light and counterclockwise to decrease. The lowest percentage is 10% and the maximum is 100%. The adjustment wheel also acts as a select wheel and set button for the channels and group menu. By pressing this button, you can select groups and channels. The group ID is A to H and the channel ID is 1 to 8. Once either of it blinks, you can now select by rotating the adjustment wheel, and once you're done selecting, press the wheel to set it up. This feature should be synced with the included remote. Let's remove the plastic protector. Now the remote has 5 buttons. The power button that can only turn on and off the remote but not the light. The adjustment button, which adjusts the intensity and also acts as a selection button for the groups and channels menu. Now the light and the remote needs to be synchronized, as I've said earlier. We set the light to channel 1 and the group to B, so the remote should be the same. Once you're done selecting the right channels and group, press the set button. This is very useful if you have multiple lights like this for film production or photography shoots. Alright, so that's how you operate this light. Pretty easy, right? I'm actually using it right now together with my other lights in this room. And also, I did a test before shooting this video. So we're gonna check it out. In this video, the light is blasting at 20% and my ISO is set to 800. My aperture is set to 3.5 with a shutter speed of 1/60. I'm using the kit lens of my Canon M50 and I'm gonna turn down the intensity just to give you an idea on how it looks. Now we are down to 10%. We're gonna raise the intensity to maximum. Well, that's pretty bright. I almost got blinded. And this test was done without a softbox. Imagine what this light can do if we have a good softbox. And maybe that's gonna be discussed in a different video, so stay tuned guys. Now I did use this in one of my live stream with Wacom Philippines. You can check it out in the links in the description below. And I also did an on-the-spot photo shoot while I was shooting my B-roll for this video. Check it out! And after that photo shoot that I did, I let my friend Adrian to use this light on one of his shoots for his upcoming food channel here in YouTube. So let's hear it, Adrian.
Thank you, The Art of Sir Eden, for letting me use this light. Actually, this is very easy to use. Just set it up, plug it in, turn it on, then you're good to go. I can say that this will be a good investment to content creators, especially to those who are planning to start a YouTube channel like me. If given a chance in the future, I will definitely invest on a light like this. And check out my channel and Facebook page. Please subscribe guys. See you there!
The AK150W is great for photography, filmmaking, streaming, and vlogging. Wanna know why? Because it's easy to set up. This is even my first time using this kind of light, and so has Adrian. And we didn't have any problem using this. Another thing is that this light has a very nice build. It has a metal body, very sturdy, and also it blasts a very powerful light. It has a 150 watts. What more can you ask for? I definitely recommend getting one of these lights, especially if you're in a film production or you're in a studio for photography. This light will definitely make my videos look better than before. Vizen Marketing is offering great deals, so you can check it out and the links in the description below or go to their Facebook page. Alright, I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Again, this is the Art of Sir Eden Tech version. Together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you in my next video, guys. Stay safe. Peace.